students, now let us discuss about the structure of carbon compound. So I have already told you that carbon can form which kind of bond?
Covalent bond.
Covalent bond. Very good. Carbon form covalent bond. That means bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons. So let us see some other example and other element like molecules which can included in carbon compounds. So structure of carbon compounds. Mostly we have to study here like tetra valency of कार्बन. कार्बन का वैलेंसी 4 होता है, ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको बताया था. सो नथिंग बट वी आर स्टडीइंग टेट्रा वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस टेट्रा वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. सो लेट अस कंसीडर वन एग्जांपल ऑफ C2H6. Suppose we have 2 carbon 6 hydrogen. How can I draw the structure of this compound? This C2H6 has a name ethane. C2H6 is called as ethane. So let's see how to draw the structure of ethane. Students, here we have 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. So definitely we can put this dot, 4 dot of one carbon atom, and again we can draw 4 dot for second carbon atom. And for each carbon, how many hydrogen I should put? For each carbon I will add 1 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen and 3. So for each carbon I can say there are 3 hydrogen. So एक कार्बन को 3 हाइड्रोजन हम अटैच करेंगे तो कार्बन का टेट्रा वैलेंसी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. Similarly here also we can put 1 H. So that is all about the structure of this C2H6. This is ethane. Okay. Now student, this is most expanded form of structure. ये काफी expanded structure है. Even हम इस structure को और simplify कर सकते हैं. So this structure can also be written as, mostly हमें इस तरह के structure आगे use नहीं करने हैं. But for your understanding, you can see this structure. These are dot and cross structures of carbon. There is 1 covalent bond, second, then third, then fourth. You can say each carbon can form 4 covalent bonds. So it's tetravalency of carbon. Tetra means 4. Valency means bond. So one carbon atom can form how many bonds?
4 bonds.
Okay. That is all about tetravalency of carbon. So students, in short हम इस structure को और simplify way में लिखना चाहें तो ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. 1 carbon can form 4 bond. तो एक कार्बन ने 4 बॉन्ड बनाए हैं. Similarly, we have 2 carbon atoms. So this is second carbon. This will also form 4 bond. Okay. Now this blank position will be completed by what? H. This is the way to write the tetravalency of carbon. Students, I can also simplify this structure. We can combine this entire form. We can see that here we have CH3. So we can combine this and we can write like CH3. Correct? And then again single bond. Again what we can write here? CH3. That is the way to write tetravalency of carbon. Students, this is single bonded carbon. Carbon single bond. I can also put double bond. तो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हमने डबल बॉन्ड्स लगा दिए, then how many valencies are left out for this particular carbon? इसके 2 वैलेंसी पूरे हो गए, मतलब इसने दोनों कार्बन में 2 बॉन्ड बना लिए हैं. And how many bonds still left out? We can say we can make 2 more bond for each carbon atom. सभी कार्बन, दोनों कार्बन को हम 2 बॉन्ड और अटैच करेंगे. So this carbon can get 1 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen. Here also 1, 2. So in this situation, each carbon can occupy how many hydrogen? CH2 double bond CH2. So tetravalency of carbon can also be written in double bonded form. This structure is called as C2H4. This is called ethene. And we can also represent tetravalency of carbon in triple bonded form. So student, I can write these 2 carbon with triple bond. Okay. Now how many hydrogen I can put to each carbon? I can see one
valency is 1 left.
1, and here also 1. I can put H here and I can put H here also. So this can be this can also be the way of representing carbon structure. It can be CH, triple bond, CH. Okay. So students, tetravalence of carbon can be represented in single bond. It can also be represented in double bond. It can also be in triple bond. Now, single bonded organic compounds are called as saturated organic compounds.
Sir, as such here you have given the name ethane. What will be the name for the triple bond?
Very simple. Here, when there is single bond ANE suffix, double bond ENE, and for triple bond suffix it will be ETHYNE. That is called ethyl.
So suffix will be YNA.
YNE. That will study in further part of the topic like IUPAC nomenclature, वो भी हमें आगे कंटिन्यू करना है. फिलहाल तो हम स्ट्रक्चर स्टडी कर रहे हैं. तो स्टूडेंट, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज लाइक कि जिन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में, जिस कार्बन कंपाउंड में सिंगल बॉन्ड है, ऐसे कार्बन कंपाउंड को हम कहते हैं सैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड, सैचुरेटेड ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. ओके. सो कार्बन कंपाउंड विच कंटेन सिंगल बॉन्ड called as saturated organic compound. Saturated organic compound या कार्बन कंपाउंड आप कुछ भी उसे बोल सकते हो. Saturated organic compound. Next, compound which contain double bond or triple bond, that may be called as, जिसके पास डबल बॉन्ड या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है, उस तरह के ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड को हम जनरली कहेंगे, we can call as unsaturated. ये भी unsaturated हो जाएगा. Okay. So saturated means compound which contains single bond. Unsaturated means compound which contain double bond or triple bond. So that is all about tetravalency of carbon. Okay.